We'll guide you through how to delete your Stripe account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, which should be your starting point. Look for the Settings option, which is usually located on the right side or at the bottom of the page, depending on your version. Click on Businesses to open a new page with various options. Next, find the Account Details section. This is where you'll see various account management options. Scroll down until you find Close Account. Click on Close Account and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any warnings or information provided, as closing your account is irreversible. If you're ready to proceed, confirm your choice. Stripe might ask you for feedback or a reason for leaving, which is optional but can be helpful for their improvement. After confirming, your Stripe account will be scheduled for closure. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly, and your account will be closed within a few days. Make sure you have resolved any pending transactions and transferred any remaining funds before you proceed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.